Dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study Karnataka State Syllabus Classic Social Science History Chapter 4 Religious and Social Reform Movements. This is the notes of part 2 textbook. If you want the notes of part 1 textbook, all the notes of history, civics and geography is already uploaded in my channel. You can check from there. First main, answer the following question. Question number 1. What were the reforms made by Shankaracharya? Answer. Sri Shankaracharya propounded the Advaita philosophy. He studied the 4 Vedas. He established 4 mutts at Badari, Dwaraka, Puri and Sringeri. Question number 2. What were the social reforms made by Ramanujacharya? Answer. Sri Ramanujacharya propounded the Vishishta Advaita society philosophy. He travelled all over India and spread Sri Vaishnavism, the religious sect founded by him. He preached that salvation can be attained through bhakti and surrender to God. He condemned casteism and enabled people from lower classes to enter the temple of Cheluvanarayana Swami at Melukote, Karnataka. Question number 3. What are the teachings of Basaveshwara? Answer. Sri Basaveshwara propounded the Shakti Vishishta Dvaita philosophy. He aimed at building a classless society. He preached that work is worship. He commended idol worship and rituals like yaga and yajnas. He stated that one's body is itself a temple. He worked for the uplift of women. He preached his ideas through vachanas, a distinct literary form which could be read as prose or sung like a poem. Question number 4. State the importance of Vachana literature. Name some Vachanakaras. Answer. The Vachana is a distinct literary form. The Vachanas are such that they may be read like prose or sung like poems. The Vachanas were also composed by Jadara Dasamayya, Allama Prabhu, Chenna Basavanna, Akka Mahadevi and others. These Sharanas came from different communities. The thoughts expressed in Vachanas are relevant in the present. Question number 5. What are the contribution of Madhavacharya? Answer. Sri Madhavacharya propounded Dvaita philosophy and spread all teachings all over India twice during his lifetime. He composed more than 37 works in Sanskrit. Gita Tatparya Nimaya and Mahabharata Tatparya Nimaya are his important works. He established 8 Montessori's at Udupis. Second main, match the following words A with related words in column B. Here are the words from A to B and here are the answers for that. Third main, discuss in group and answer the following. Question number 1. What are the reformation advocated by Basaveshwara? Answers. Sri Basaveshwara propounded the Shakti Vishishtadvaita philosophy. He aimed at building a classless society. He preached that work is worship. He commended idol worship and rituals like yaga and yajnas. He stated that one's body is itself a temple. He worked for the uplift of women. He preached his ideas through vachanas, a distinct literary form which could be read as a prose or sung like a poem. Next, the additional question answers of this lesson. First main, answer the following question. Now, question number 1. Which is the popular hymn of Sri Shankaracharya? Answer. Bhaja Govindam. Question number 2. Which sect was founded by Sri Ramanujacharya? Answer. Sri Vaishnavism. Question number 3. Who propounded the Vishwadaitya philosophy? Answer. Sri Ramanujacharya. Question number 4. Which temple was established by Sri Ramanuja in Karnataka? Answer. Sri Cheluvanarayana temple at Melukote. Question number 5. Which philosophy was propounded by Sri Basavanna? Answer. Shakti Vishwadaitya. Question number 6. Which assembly was established by Sri Basavanna? Answer. Anubhava Mantapa. Question number 7. How does Basaveshwara conclude his vachanas? Answer. He concludes his vachanas with the word Kudala Sangama Deva. Question number 8. What is meant by Kayaka? Answer. Kayaka means work done with total dedication. Question number 9. Who propounded the Dvaita philosophy? Answer. Sri Madhavacharya. Question number 10. How many times did Madhavacharya travel all over India to spread his teaching? Answer. 2 times. Question number 11. Name the important mutts established by Madhavacharya. Answer. Uttaradi Mutt, Vaisarya Mutt and Raghavendra Mutt. Next, second main, fill in the blanks. Number 1, Shankara wrote dash and dash, Ananda Lahari and Saundarya Lahari. Number 2, dash founded the religious sect Sri Vaishnavism, Ramanujacharya. Number 3, Basaveshwara was a dash in the court of Bijjala king, treasury officer. Number 4, Basaveshwara aimed at the instilling a culture of dash in people, work in people. Madhavacharya preached a simple path of dash bhakti. Next main, match the following. Here are the options A and B, and here are the answers for that. So this is all about your lesson. Lesson number 5 of history. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, you can check the playlist of my channel, and for further lessons, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.